Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be trying out some Valentino acrylics. I went on their website and I purchased their beginner acrylic system, and in that system you get 3 acrylics. This one here is called Bad and Bougie. It's a very pinky, light, core, peachy color. You also get 8 ounces of monomer, and when I opened this monomer, it did not slap me in the face. It actually really wasn't that bad at all. And then you also get a crystal clear, which in a beginner system, you know, I feel like that's probably pretty basic. And then you also get this really pretty glittery color. This one here is called Super Powder. I actually really love this color. I thought it was super cute and really pretty. You get Super Bond. You apply this to your nail before acrylic application. And then you get a no wipe gel top coat. I purchased a nail polish I saw in there too, just because I thought it was super pretty. I don't use it in today's set, but I can't wait to use this color. So while I swatch these, I just want to mention a couple things. This kit was $89 before tax. This is the beginner kit, and you don't really get a lot with that. You get what I showed you, but you don't get tips or forms. You don't get like a file or anything like that. So, I mean, you would need to have a lot of products already in order to create a set. I already had like a brush and stuff, so like that, you know, didn't bother me at all. But to compare it to like NotPolish, you can go on NotPolish and create your own beginner customizable kit for $99 before tax, and you get tips, you get a file, you get a top coat, you get 3 glitter powders or colored powders, and you get 2 full-size jars of core powders, which I feel like is a ton for your money. So I just wanted to mention that really quick. As far as formula goes, I do find them comparable, and I really enjoyed using this. For the set, I'm using my NotPolish universal tips, and then I'm going to be cutting them down slightly to match the length on my other hand, which, by the way, this set that I have on my right hand has been about 2.5 weeks. These are those jelly tips that I used from Amazon, and they are bomb. I have 0 lifting, like no issues whatsoever. I've hit them on cabinet doors, on walls. Like, I'm pretty clumsy when it comes to nails, especially when they're long, and I'm just impressed with them so much. Like, I don't even know if I'll use any other gel tips, maybe if I'm like trying to review something, but for like durability and strength and things like that, like if you're looking for a good gel tip, like I recommend these. They were like $12 on Amazon, and honestly, I don't think you can beat that. So now I'm going to go through and dehydrate the nail plate with my gelish dehydrator. And then I'm going to go in with a primer. I'm going to use the Super Bond that they provide in the kit. I'm going to apply 2 coats of that so I don't have any issues with lifting. Getting into the acrylic application, I didn't know how much time I had to work with the product and how fast it would set, so I'm just like taking my time here, working it to the cuticle without touching. I can honestly say that I did not flood my cuticle one time. Yay me. That's something that I definitely do a lot, but I didn't do it with this, which I was so happy. I was not working fast enough and it started to cure on me, so I'm using the base of the brush to really flatten that out. That seemed to work out okay. Going in with my next bead, it blended perfectly in with the last. I really did find this product super easy to work with. I really liked the formula. I like the colors. And yeah, and I'm just going to let you guys watch the rest of the application. I don't do all of them because I don't want to bore you with that, but just, you know, a couple fingers there so you can kind of see how the product is working, and that I very much consider myself a beginner, and if I can use this product and do, you know, a nice job, anybody can. So really encourage you, if you're scared of acrylic, just find the one that works best for you and just keep practicing with it. Sometimes those super cheap kits on Amazon, you know, aren't the best ones to work with. Even though they are affordable, it doesn't mean that the product is good, and that can really affect how your application goes and stress you out too, because you think you might be doing a bad job and really it could just be the acrylic that's, you know, not good. Okay, thanks for joining my TED Talk, and now back to the application.
somebody else's ladder just to make yourself feel just a little bigger. I don't know if I've seen anything that's sadder. It's so hard to comprehend how you don't even understand. Stepping on me without even trying. Never seen somebody get so good at lying. It's impressive you don't spend all your time crying over all the ways you let me down. So many I could drown, but I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more. But you're not worth the time. You never put me up front, 'cause it's your spot. Like I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. Typical emotional, sensitive and cynical. Took my sanity and sent it up.
Once my color and glitter are all laid down, I'm going to take that crystal clear and we're going to encapsulate. Again, the acrylic's super smooth. I really don't think I picked up a single bad bead. Like nothing was too watery or too dry. I just felt like everything just laid down so nicely for me. And as a beginner, obviously that's really what you want. So yeah, so far I'm really liking it, and 10 out of 10. Here's what the nails are looking like before they are filed, and honestly I am loving like the glitter ombre I got going on there and that glittery nail. It's also pretty. I'm taking this Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, which I love, by the way. I really feel like these files are a game changer. Just the hard backing literally makes all the difference. You don't have to worry about it bending on you, and like you can really crispen up that shape. We're going to be doing some nail art. This company, Joslove, is on Amazon. They reached out to me to try out some of their nail art brushes. You get a total of 10 brushes, and first impression, I am in love with the packaging. I think that it's so aesthetically pleasing to look at. The handles with the little crystals on them, like so cute. My favorite thing is that they all have lids, like each brush comes with a cap. I don't know why that makes such a difference, but like when you're trying to store your stuff, like it just looks so much nicer, more put together when like brushes like that have a cap on it. So I'm just going through and kind of showing you what each brush is. You get a fan brush, you get an ombre brush, you get 3 different liner brushes of different sizes. You get an acrylic brush, a polish brush, a hybrid gel brush, a 3D acrylic nail art brush. And all the bristles are super soft. I'd say the only brush that I didn't really like was the acrylic brush because I felt like it didn't hold enough monomer. I did try to use that for the set and I just like couldn't get through it because it wasn't picking big enough beads up. But overall, I really feel like this is a really nice kit. I mean, 10 brushes. The kit's $19 on Amazon. And they did give me a 15% off code that you can use on Amazon to save some money. If it is something you're interested, I'll leave that in the description box below. But let's move on to the nail art. We are going to be doing some swirls. I'm taking one of these liner brushes here. We're going to create some swirls with white, and then I'm going to use a glitter. We'll add some fun rhinestones and yeah, really pull this look together.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know
I'm taking some Bling Gel. This is from Nails by Deb. If you follow her on TikTok, she is the nail addict and super talented. And then I'm smoothing that out. Gonna take some top coat right over top of that. So when we cure it, everything is all done in place and top coated. These crystals I got on AliExpress. I want to say they were 18 bucks for a whole box, and you know, I got it in like 2 weeks, which wasn't bad at all. But yeah, we're just going to be creating this little design. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to like gem placement. It just, whatever looks okay. But I think it turned out cute. And this Bling Gel was amazing. Like, my stuff did not move anywhere. There was like no sliding around, and if it did, it was slightly. So if you need a new Bling Gel, yeah, try this one out. nailsbydev.com, and you can find it there. I'm sorry. We're now going to take that top coat and we're going to top coat the rest of the nails. This is the finished look and I'm obsessed with them. I think they turned out so freaking pretty. I love them so much. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set. And have you ever tried the Valentino acrylics? Honestly, I would recommend them. I think that they worked amazing. I loved how everything just blended so nicely together. And if you're looking for a beginner, you know, acrylic, or even just an acrylic in general, it's definitely a company that you should check out. Again, the brushes too. I mean, everything that I used for this set, I loved. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And as always, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.